Welcome to the live session from Forex Trading Wizard Academy. This is Forex Wizard, your trading coach. We will be doing a live trading session and live analysis, live discussion about every aspect of trading. I hope that everyone are ready for another big trading day, trading week. As you can see today, we can see that there is a bit of movement in the market. And we can see gold, also Gbpusd. Early today, there was a big move on gold and on GJ. Currently, it's in a pullback, in a sideways movement. So there is a news coming later today. We had a bit of quick trade on euro dollar, and euro dollar, you can see that from the zone that we have seen, grab liquidity. Now it's just trying to bounce off this level. We might see potentially a rejection here. There is a probability. If we look at the price action on euro dollar, also this is the 1 hour chart, just have closed. So there is a news coming, and a news candle gonna be here forming on euro dollar, as there will be news on dollar. So let's see what the market is doing here. Okay, and there is a bullish engulf around euro dollar. There is a news coming. So how many pip here? 8 pip more. Okay, so let's see if we can find an opportunity. We see a bit of bullish move on gold. So here I would like to open a buy position on euro dollar with around there will be around 9 pip stop loss on this trade. We'll be targeting at the top TP1, and then we'll be holding for the TP2 later. So there is 9 pip stop loss on euro dollar here. I would like to hold it for later, a bit more bigger. The news is coming, expecting euro dollar to bounce, and with the news we will be going for a spike, expecting for the spike to happen, as this market is in bullish. Currently there is a bullish engulf around the 30 minutes time frame. So the stop loss will be at 1.0669, and it's a buy market trade. So we'll take TP1 at 1.0687. And then accordingly, we will be changing if needed. So euro dollar, I bought euro dollar here, and also I'll be explaining the strategy. But now I'm on a trade on euro dollar, buy trade. The market started to move as soon as I opened that trade on euro dollar. Would like to open this trade to see how the market might be doing here. I'm expecting with the news to have a spike. So the reason I put a TP1 here is because TP1 is where there is a liquidity zone, and the reason that I opened, there will be a news and we will be holding the trade in the news. I'm expecting it to initially to bounce up. So it's very important that you do the risk management, which is the key, so that if any unusual spike down, you are not stopped out. But before the news, if we see significant movement, we will be taking partial profit and moving the stop loss, so that with the news, if even there is a spike, we are covered. Now I'm running in profit. Suddenly the market has started to move up. We open our trade as soon as we started the live session. Euro dollar trade running in profit. Make sure you smash the like button and also hit the subscribe button. In the meantime, if you are enjoying the live session, make sure you give a like and also subscribe to the channel if you haven't done yet. So we are moving we are running in profit here. Okay, we see a bit of upside on euro dollar. I'll be also explaining the reason behind the trade. So make sure you stick till the end of this live session to know exactly how we are trading, why we are trading. It's not all about the trade. Also, it's important that you understand the strategy. We just, before this live session, we had executed a gold scalping trade in our live trading room, in the VIP live trading room, before we come on live in this YouTube. So make sure you check that out. Also, if you haven't joined yet with us in the VIP live trading room, then definitely you check out below this video in the description for the mentorship and all the signals and strategies. So let's see what's happening here, and we'll be looking to see the market with the news having a bounce. We have seen a multiple manipulation here, expecting euro dollar to give an upside bias. So we are a buy trade on euro dollar. It's based on the 30 minutes time frame. I strongly believe that you are enjoying the live session. If you are enjoying, I would appreciate if you give a thumbs up here. And also don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you haven't done yet. Press that bell notification so that you are not missing any of the content that I'm posting. Greetings, welcome. Welcome, hello coach, wonderful day. Welcome, Island Cooking, good day, good morning. Hello, greetings, welcome. Can I buy now? We are bought. Let's see, Patrick. Hello, coach. Thank you. Welcome, Patrick. So let's keep trading with proper risk management is the key. So if you are not doing the risk management, definitely I would recommend you to look at that first. Must do the risk management. And I see that the likes is going up. I would appreciate if you push it to the 50 likes. Everyone giving a thumbs up will be helpful. And here we are bought. We are bullish on euro dollar, and we have open a position. Before the news, I want to secure some profit here. If the market moves significantly before the news, we will be taking some part of the profit, and then we will be if needed we will be moving the stop loss. Let's see first of all how far it is going. Oh, this is a resistance here. So the resistance and getting a rejection from here, it's not very good. Got a rejection, guys, so it did not expect that rejection. There is a pin bar, and is manipulating again. So here, because there is a long week candle here, so this level is getting the price is getting a rejection from that level, and so we are running the trade, and we see a bit of upside, and want to see that basically that it has managed to break to the upside. If not, we will be executing as fast as we can. So it's finding it as a head and shoulder, and that's not even expected. Let me see what the market is trying to do. It should be remaining bullish to the upside, but at the same time so it's a long week candle here on euro dollar, which is also a liquidity zone. So most likely it made a massive manipulation here again. Okay, so holding it with a little risk on it at the moment. So as the news is coming in 10 minutes, let's say if it is getting a rejection or it's coming for a breakup support. It's still possible for the price to go up and retest the resistance. Let's look at, we see that euro dollar. Let's wait for the price to see what's happening. This is a very important level of support. If it bounce up again, goes to the profit zone before the news, we will be taking profit. Because we drop to that level, that means that we might see a bit of support. So it didn't hold it. It's very bad. Still on the trade, and I'm expecting to still to bounce. If it bounce, that's fine. If it isn't, then we are out. Let me see, I'm still on the trade. Yeah, I'm still on the trade. We tested the 20 EMA. So it created an overextension here. Might get out. Stopped out. Stopped out on that. Let's see what's happening with the gold and other pairs. So we are stopped out on gold and euro dollar. Let me see where it is going here. It's gonna break this support now. We might see after break of this support again rejection possible. We will be entering again once we find suitable entry. It was a complete manipulation from this resistance level. Okay, so let's look at how the price is doing with the gold and Gbpusd. GJ also getting a kind of rejection here. So it's coming to that support. This support is absolutely important. This is a very unusual breakdown, and that's basically approaching to this liquidity zone. Let's stop down on euro dollar. And welcome. Thank you. It is bearish. Yeah, you see a bit of rejection from here. It shows a promising bullish momentum, and then it just got a rejection here. So basically it now might break this low. Okay, gold is just after retesting, gold also trying to bounce up again. As before the news, this is the last candle. News might make gold very volatile. It's gonna, it will try to break the now low, this support, from this support, and then we could see that bounce. And if we look at also we'll be looking at gold to see what's happened, to see what gold is doing, and then we will be looking for entry as well. Gold was this is a bullish trend on gold. For the whole day we saw that it was a bullish trend. If I look at the daily chart on gold, we can see that so far this is the daily opening. The market has reached almost yesterday's high, and if the news bringing gold to the downside again, then we will be looking for entry to the upside, as it is long-term bull market. We have seen there is a weakless candle, and so far in the 4th session gold was strongly bullish. Currently we want to see that the market has tested any of this support before we see any kind of strong bounce. So far it's bullish, so the news definitely will have big impact in the market. What's happening with the euro dollar? You see that euro dollar also we just manipulated here, and now it's going to get a rejection. So now we can't enter at the moment because there is a news in 3 minutes. Let the news to be the spike to be done. The bias on euro dollar is still to me upside, as this candle okay, looking at gold, gold is trending to the upside with multiple times the price breaking down and then getting a rejection. Gbpusd, I'm just looking at all of them. It's what is in a choppy market, so would like to see how the news is rearranging the market structure. Are you guys ready for the news? What do you think, that which way the market might be heading with the news? It just has come down for a liquidity grab and now moving up again. Let's find out. Okay. Getting volatile. So there is a okay, that's a manipulation going on. Euro dollar also has got a manipulation. So gold might try to grab liquidity here. It's a big 1 minute bearish candle on gold. Is that market trying to break down? So the long-term trend on euro dollar is bearish. On gold also we see that a downside here locally. So let's see if the market is preparing for bearish move. Because anytime the market sentiment might change here. Or it that impacted the Gbpusd. So what's the data has come out and what's the reaction in the market? So from price action we see it's still undecided. Now looking at the calendar, so the data unemployment claims to be less than expected, so which is insupportive to the DXY, and not a big change in data. But if we look at the DXY, we can see that that is basically giving fuel to DXY or bullish move after breaking that low. So therefore, if we look at gold price, A bit of bearish price action on the 5 minutes on gold. Really, the market is a bit of confused. I'm just looking to see the overall direction in the market, and I really don't see any move, in the market on gold. If we look at euro dollar, a bit of movement, but it's still not trending very nicely. Gbpusd so far has come to an important support level. Trend on those instruments to the upside. So this is the support for Gbpusd from the lower time frame. Complete direct move here. Okay, if Gbpusd is breaking this low and having a rejection, then we can look for buying, because in that case there is a probability for the price to go up. But at the moment, if you look at the 1 hour, you want to see that the market has made significant drop before we can think of going long. There could be a bit of downside here as well, and then once we find enough, there is a fair value gap. You can see that this is a smart money area, this is the support, and in between there is a fair value gap. Let's see, while we see that gold slowly trying to build pressure in the downside. Okay, gold and euro dollar, both of them. Euro dollar has broken the support. The market did not move much, so we just need to wait to see for the entry. Euro dollar in the long term direction of the trend, and it's trying to build up a downside pressure. And in the meantime, before we look at any position, I would appreciate if you smash the like button here and also subscribe to the channel if you haven't done yet. Trade with support. Yeah, thank you very much. It is Gbpusd. Thank you very much. Yeah, welcome. Thanks for joining the live session. Okay, now this is if you look at here what kind of price action it is making, it's sometimes very price. More often you will see that the price will show you a direction after this kind of news release, so you would like to see that a bit of confirmation. Gold either moving up to the major direction of the trend, or we might see the bias as the trend is to the upside. But with the news, I expected a bit of a stronger breakout. Let's see if it is trending. If it is trending, then we can enter. While with the euro dollar as well, I'm gonna keep the chart open, and 5 minutes, 15 minutes. Okay guys, so if you are enjoying, give a thumbs up and let me know which one you are looking at, what kind of price action you are looking at. Okay, the bias to the upside again coming. It have a stronger momentum. Gap opening on MT4 on gold on the lower time frame. So we might see if you look at the daily chart, daily resistance is here, and this is the 30 minutes. I would like to open a buy on gold. I'll be putting the stop loss below this low and targeting to the daily resistance level 221 reward to risk. Now in this trade there will be, without risk mention, please don't open, around 50 pip stop loss, so a bit of wider stop loss here, and I will be entering by market. So make sure, trader, you do the risk management is the number one here. So stop loss below this low. So I open buy on gold, stop loss at 2380.41. You must do risk management, which is very important. If you don't know how to do the lot size calculation, you might even open 0.01 lot, that's fine. But as long as you are not taking a big risk on a single trade. So here I'm expecting gold to have a rejection to the upside. As we can see, the market is maintaining that bullish trend and the price is grabbing liquidity multiple times. So I open buy and waiting for the price to respect that level. Pardon me, guys. Really, that's it's cold here. Oh my god, it's cold. Let me see. Okay, so I'm bought on gold. I'm bullish on gold, and once I open the trade, I'm expecting gold to remain bullish to the upside. And as it is a bull market, so long term, with the news, there is a multiple liquidity gap, expecting it to reject to the upside. If it bounce up, then we might be able to see going to the daily resistance. Let's see. If it fails, then we might see breakdown. So far, the bias for me is potentially to the upside. So there is if you look at this 30 minutes candle, the trade was open based on the 30 minutes candle, which is a kind of liquidity candle, and expecting for the price to reject from that level to the upside to this daily resistance level. And we'll be following along the trade. I have entered into the profit zone. So this is based on the 30 minutes price action. So this is a 2-to-1 reward to risk. So I have bought gold. Are you guys with me? Let me know if you're with me. Give a thumbs up and also subscribe to the channel. If you haven't done yet, press that bell notification so that you are not missing any of the content that I'm posting every day. And let's see. Now this 30 minutes candle, it's a bullish candle, expecting for the price to go ahead and fill that imbalance here. There is a bit of imbalance, so there is a daily resistance here. Okay, so once we find if the market not moving today, then we might see again in a sideway, which is sometimes a bit of annoying. Sideway market is very hard to trade, but here with the news we see that liquidity grab, and in the next 2 minutes you want to see that the candle has been able to break that high, which is very important to see, and then we can expect for the price to remain bullish again. Okay. The price action so far bullish in our favor. I'm running in good profit now at the moment. Let me know if you are running that trade with me. I know that I have sent out to the VIP community for the members who are trading with us. So we see a bit of upside. This is what I was expecting. All right, cool. This is a liquidity candle. You see back to back 3 important liquidity candle on gold on the 30 minutes. Now if you look at the arrow here, what do you see? This is why I have opened the trade, and that's a powerful tool that I use to identify the liquidity candle. Now based on my strategy, there is a liquidity gap and I have opened that. Let's see if it might come back again for another liquidity. But we have found that back to back 3 liquidity candle. One is here, there's one of this here, there's one of this here. Now 3 of this liquidity candle are this one is already a winner, this one is also a winner, this one we expecting it to bounce up, then it's gonna be winner. But if the volume drops, that's gonna be a bit of frustrating, but still we see running in good profit, expecting it to bounce back up. So we have seen multiple liquidity grab running in good profit. Guys, are you with me? Okay, we see bullish price action, and yeah, our buy trade going well on gold, going up. We'll be holding it for the full profit hit. We'll be holding it for full profit hit, and this is according to my liquidity candle trading strategy. Now if you guys don't know what is a liquidity candle, you can see on the screen 3 important candle that based on my strategy is showing here, and I have opened that position based on that. So expecting it to go ahead and fill that imbalance and then to give us that profit that we need in the market. Now here come on, we don't want to see again deeper pullback. I'm holding it. You wanna see, you wanna take more liquidity here. market really, it's like a so this is the 5 minutes, and with this 5 minutes price action, it's coming for a retest here. Euro dollar showing bearish, so gold grab more liquidity here and then just trying to bounce back up. Okay, even this one is closing as a lag, that I'm happy that we might see that again side. Okay, there is another amount of liquidity grab here. Okay, now it formed a big liquidity candle. Okay, so we see a 5 minutes candle that is also potentially a liquidity grab. Okay, running in profit now. Are you guys running in profit with me? We see that there is a potential for upside here. So if it is moving up, then most likely approaching the daily resistance level. So I'm expecting running in good profit so far. So for running profit, expecting for the price to it might grab one more liquidity. Really, sometime price annoys. Gonna break that low too. Yeah, it might take all the trade below this candle. If it does, that's gonna be another massive liquidity grab for this move. Or if the momentum is high, might just keep moving. It's gonna break now below. So the price action for me is still bullish, but a bit of stronger momentum needed for a move. We are running in profit. Now from this trend, if it breaks, that should be breaking towards the upside here. We need a stronger trend. I really see any reason why the market not making that stronger move. Just taking those trades, taking those liquidities. See that now it's trying to bounce back up. It's like a, like feed it. The big boys wanna take those before making the move, because the trend is not very strong. So when the trend is not very strong, ultimately we could see that the price will break that high. Somehow it's struggling to move up. So after breaking multiple zone, it's now again in our profit zone. Are you guys with me? Let me know if you are enjoying the live session. If you are enjoying, give a thumbs up and also subscribe to the channel if you haven't done yet. We see the market again trying to break to the upside. So it basically took the liquidity, but the way I see the price action, this price ultimately will break out, but before that there is a chance that it's gonna come again here to take those here stopped out and then to move up. So the nature of the market, you can see the Gbpusd. So I wouldn't say a very strong uptrend, but it's in an uptrend. We see the market again going to our entry. Okay, so here is what you can see. Can you give a thumbs up, please? Thank you very much. Trader champs, sir, please explain again your trade. Where did you took the trade? Is your view? Okay, yeah, absolutely, absolutely. I'll be explaining. Make sure you stick till around. First, let's manage the trade, and then I will be also explaining everything about the trade, how to do the risk management and everything. Make sure you stick till the end. We are currently entering into the profit zone again. 1% of account. Yeah, absolutely, love you, thank you very much. Just subscribe now. So welcome, thanks for subscription and joining the live session. Absolutely, you will enjoy here in Forex Trading Wizard Academy. Thank you. And okay, we see the price has gone to profit again. So it moved to profit. This market might just move again, break out, but it just in doing a lot of consolidation here. I expected a bit of a stronger breakout. Okay, the bullish bias is still on. We are in profit. we could see ultimately, break to the upside. Ultimately, we might see that breakout. So it's just, taking more liquidity for bigger breakout. It's the way the market moves. Okay guys, I'm running in profit. Well done, I'm running in profit. And make sure you give a thumbs up to the channel, subscribe to the channel. If you haven't done yet, press that bell notification so that you are not missing any of the content that I'm posting every day. You guys running profit with me? I'm running profit at the moment with the gold trade. So I will be also explaining in depth, this trade. So make sure you stick till the end to understand, to learn, to grow. It's not about one trade. Also, it's about how to learn and grow as a trader. Make sure you take the full advantage of it. And also we have a couple of spots available to join the mentorship program. Now what you get on the mentorship program, you get all my trade, you get access to the live exclusive trading room, you get access to this exclusive tool that I use to find the liquidity candle in the market. Now you can see that today on 30 minutes on gold, 3 liquidity candle has formed and all of them were winner. This one, and this one. Okay, that's where it is. This is the smart money trading system that I am trading. So if you want to get access to that, you can get it today. I normally didn't used to share my strategy before. Now I share my strategy because I saw that the members in the academy getting benefited from my strategy. So I do share everything. This candle, this liquidity candle, now available for you for limited time only for the VIP members. So if you are our VIP member, you can get access to this liquidity candle so that you can also find out how I am trading, and also you can get access to the exclusive live trading room. So in the live trading room, we also had a live scalping trade on gold before just starting up our session. So if you want to get access to that as well, you can join in the mentorship program. You can find the link below this video in the description. Just few spots left before we close for unlimited time. You can use the link below this video in the description. Get access to that right now to get access to the liquidity candle strategy as well as tool to find, and also get access to the exclusive live trading room, chat group, and also a complete course to understand and learn trading Forex from beginner till the advanced. Either you are trading for 10 years like me, not profitable, or maybe started today. This is the best place where you see that I trade on live market, and you should see that how I am trading. And if you like that, give a thumbs up, smash it, and also join us today. If you think that you can do it alone, yes, you can do it alone. I also thought the same way and I did that, but I did alone after I learned the lesson with losing $100,000 in a 1 day trading gold in one night. So, mistakes cost, right? You don't have to reinvent the light bulb or the wheel. You can learn my strategy that I learned from an exclusive teacher, who was a mentor, who was had an extensive experience trading in the financial market, in the smart money zone, in institutional trading. And that's the education that I want to give you. If you want to take it today, you can take all of them with almost, you can say that, for free. I'm not saying it for free is because with the comparison, with the value you'll get, is nothing what you will be learning here in Forex Trading Wizard Academy. So you can find the link or visit the website and then click join now button, choose the lifetime access to get access everything that you can do today. So what we can see on gold, it bounced up, managed to bounce, and we can see the market now trending to the upside. And I think that ultimately we might see it's hitting that daily resistance level. So far we are running in good profit. I want to hold it for the full TP hit. I think that we're gonna see ultimately going there to this liquidity zone. So we are almost there. $15 minutes, a bullish price action. Come on, why you are coming for a pullback again? Wanna take it? Very good move in the market. So we saw that breakout, and I'll be giving a shout out once I will take the profit. It's running in good profit with me. Should be running the good profit with you as well. Also, I'll be updating in the group to take the profit if I am taking. Patience is key in trading, so you guys need to be patient to access better trades. So here we can see lower time frame. So if we look at the daily, the market has made significant bullish move today. So we are running in good profit on gold. Guys, did you enjoy the live session? If you are enjoying that, give a thumbs up. And also subscribe to the channel if you haven't done yet. Press that bell notification so that you are not missing any of the content that I am posting every day. Okay, now here is, let me see what's happening. Made a good profit, and this trade, I'll let you know if I'm taking. Okay, I want to take it now. I want to take the profit right now. So I'm going to close it. I take profit. It's running in good profit. It might come back for a deeper pullback. I take profit. Okay, so if we need to enter, we will be entering at the moment. Let's see what's happening. We see the market reach to an important resistance level, so which we gain almost more than 1% on that. I took 2% risk, so it's more than 2% on my account. And so you see that a bit of bounce here at the moment. Okay, so we might see now a rejection to the upside, or continuation to the drop. Okay, so depending on how the price might be doing at the moment, because it's now in a zone where either breaking down again or just pushing high in the major direction of the trend. Okay, we see that pushing high. There is a void here. If the price break this resistance, it might go a bit of a stronger move, depending on how the price might be breaking. We have taken profit and we'll be entering again if we see that, and I'll be also discussing the trade, so make sure you stick till the end of this live session to know exactly why we have opened, what is the strategy behind, and also everything that you need to know to learn to grow as a trader. Okay, so we are out with the trade, and let's see if it is started to reverse here. We might see, because it's maintaining a series of lower high here. Okay, so it's a trend line, and the price reached that resistance. So from that resistance, if it started to break down, then that might take that price to the daily support here. Let's see, and also I'll be explaining in depth about the trade. So we see that this is the daily resistance line, and with this daily resistance, it's important to see now how the market might be doing here. We see a complete breakdown, that's why we took profit. Okay, now a breakdown. Okay, this is a huge breakdown. I think gold might now try to break the daily support. Okay guys, so it may will be looking at to see what gold is trying to do. Do you think that now it's gonna break again to the daily support? There is a very strong breakdown. This might be a bit of a stronger downside here. Looks to me that gold might try to test the daily support. So taken the profit on gold and waiting for another entry. Big drop here. Very strong breakdown, and I think that it might now try to test the daily support. And we will be entering again as soon as we will find that another entry. Just make sure, guys, you stick till the end of this live session. And in the meantime, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, you can do that. And more explore, if you want to explore more all the trade that I'm opening, you can join today. I do share all my trade with entry, stop loss and take profit, including we have exclusive live trading room where you can learn and grow as a trader. So we had gold trade that we have taken profit, and let's see what else we have in the upcoming session here. So this is the 5-minute chart on gold. We can see after we take the profit, the market has made a breakdown. Now this is where I think that we might see the price will try to get back to the daily support level, and where we might find further entry opportunity. Okay, so you might see the downside. Yep. GBPJPY also forming bearish price action. We have secured a very good trade on gold. Let's see how we can add another one once we will find it. And now I will be explaining the trade on gold, so stay tuned for that. And also before that, I would like to see where is our next opportunity. Gold, after this breakdown, it's now retesting the neckline. It is important to see either gold is reversing back or is just coming back to the daily. It's got a rejection from the daily trend line, and with that rejection we might see that gold breaking below. When the price action gold is trying to form So, well, thank you very much. I'm also in gold buy. Yes, okay. Welcome, welcome. And it's all time now. Okay, already took the nice profit. Welcome, Pecky. It's so well done, well done. And that's what I'm talking about. It will break 2354. Okay. Now this breakdown is can be a liquidity grab and then continuation, or so if it is a breakdown, that if this breakdown is a liquidity grab, then the market might move up again to the daily resistance. But I see that it's a very strong breakdown, so I would consider that one might be deeper drop possible in that direction here again, because it's there is a very sharp breakdown here. Now with this breakdown, if it drop again, then we might see that the price might be coming to the daily support level here. Because the price didn't test the daily support, we see a bit of here a bit of bearish price action. That is really peculiar kind of price action is forming, and I want to see that how the price is evolving in that area. The way it has broken down, it is possible for a bit of downside here, but it's now two-way situation, so that's why I'm not entering, because it's choppy. So do you think that gold will break, or you think that gold will go back up again to the resistance? Okay, we see long wick rejection here, and this is a bearish price action. Let's see if the market is trending here. It's important that the market trending. This is really, you want to see a market that is trending. And if we look at, are you guys feeling bored? Yeah, trading is a bit of, I know that a bit of bored, but this is where the real trading is. So when you understand that, you can gain freedom, because trading is a bit boring. But once you know how to be with that, how to not being impatient even if you feel bored, that's where the real trading comes. That's where you will be learning the real trading strategy, becoming a profitable trader. So we can see that there is a local breakdown, but here if the price is not being able to break further, then it might move in a sideways or try to retest again. In this zone here on the lower time frame, on the 15 minutes, I see that there is a potential for downside here. DJ just reversed from that level. Okay, we'll keep eye to see what the market exactly doing. And in the meantime, I would appreciate if you give a thumbs up and also subscribe to the channel if you haven't done yet. Let me know if you have any question. We secured a gold trade. We'll be waiting for further entry. Thank you, bro. Got $50. Welcome. Kizito. EU is still going down. Gold could be manipulating. Home sales news results coming in 7 minutes. So your home sales is not, I think it's not a high impact. It's not a high impact news, so it might not make a big impact. I don't think there is a high impact news later today on any of this. So tomorrow coming up, Gbp. So tomorrow Gbp retail sales, and then next week. So this week there isn't any big news, but we want to see that either gold is coming further drop, or it's just it's just moving in a sideways and manipulating for further moves. So this is the lower time frame. Oval to very confusing price action. It's not that much of, you see, the price moves in fact that way. Okay, the market moves like that. It will confuse you until you understand another important aspect of trading, which is the timing. Okay, it's very important that you understand that it's not only the price action, also is the timing. Okay, so for example, what session you are looking at, what time frame you are looking at, and what are the events coming, and why the price is doing the things that are doing. So these are very important questions that you need to ask when you are looking at the price action. So here, the market never moves always. You see there's a move happen, pullback, it might have another move to the daily support. So the market normally moves just one big move and then wait for consolidation. So this trend, you can see that it was not a very strong bullish trend. Therefore, we saw that there was a break happen here. And at the moment, because it had a breakdown here, if it is a valid breakdown from this trend, then we could see again trending in that direction. So this drop, if it breaks again, that drop might be a bit of quicker, could be that coming to the daily support. If it breaks down here, gold, then because it's from the daily trend line, we might see the market is retesting the daily support here. And in that case, yeah, because this support was not tested properly, which is possible to happen. But at the moment, local time frame, this is the 1 minute chart, you can see slowly forming bearish price action, so which is possible for the price to break in that direction. So I'm looking at to see if the market is breaking, because it's consolidating here, gathering liquidity. Which is possible to see that the market coming, bit of downside. It's trying to figure out what the market is planning. Don't be confused. You wonder why there is a huge drop. It's because it's area where big boys are pending order. Yes. So basically, when the market drop like that, there are two reasons. One could be that the market want to change the trend. The other is that the market is grabbing a massive amount of liquidity and then going back in the major direction. So here you see it, this is 1 minute candle, again has got a bounce from the support. Okay, so breaking all this high, This is unusual move. If you look at the 4 hour, then you'll see a different picture here. That's a completely different picture. You can see there's a manipulation and now it's bouncing back up. So you had a very successful day. If we look at, let's see the 30 minutes price action here. We saw that there was a liquidity candle. We have taken a successful trade here, and at the moment, after breaking that, all this liquidity zone is now trying to move back up. I think that from the 30 minutes, you can see the trend is still up. The price had a big drop, has broken all this liquidity zone, and it's now trying to move up. So which is basically the major direction of the trend is up. So it's possible for the price to remain bullish in the major direction. Okay, so now looking at our trade that we have opened. Okay, so we have opened early the trade that we have opened that on gold. What was the logic behind the trade? So let's quickly look at that point as well. We see that there is a good move here, and in this move, okay, here what we can see that the market is, this is the resistance line here, and so why did we open, and what was the reason behind the trade? If you look at the 30 minutes, you can see there was a 30 minutes middleman, and this red candle that we saw, also another manipulation candle. If you look at the liquidity candle, back to back 3 important liquidity candle has formed in that area, and that has given the price to move back to the upside. And we opened this one early in our live scalping session. We opened another one here. So 2 important bullish trade today on gold that we have closed. One is our exclusive VIP live trading room. The other one is in this YouTube live. So if you guys haven't got access to that yet, you can join today. You can access the live liquidity candle. This is an indicator that I use to find out the liquidity candle that gives me high probability trade setup. Now, what is liquidity candle? The candle that grab liquidity is what is liquidity candle. So you see that today 3 important candlestick pattern has formed here on gold. And if you guys join our Zoom class, VIP Zoom class in our previous weekend, then definitely you know what I'm talking about. If you haven't joined the Zoom class, then you can find the link in the channel, Signal channel. I would recommend you to watch that. That will change the way you look at the market completely, because smart money trades based on liquidity. So as the price moves from liquidity to liquidity, we always look for that, and then trading based on the price action and proper risk management. If you are our lifetime member, you can get access to that. This is the indicator that I use. Also, I can give you access to that. You can find all the information on your dashboard. If you join our academy recently, I would recommend you to go to your student dashboard, log into the website where you will find the student dashboard. You should receive the login detail on your email. If you haven't, then you can let us know. Join the log into the student dashboard and then get access to that. In the meantime, if you haven't joined yet, there is an opportunity you can join today. You can find a link below this video in the description. We have few spots to take on the mentorship program. Once you visit the website, I would recommend you to choose the lifetime access, where you can learn and grow as a trader. You can get access to all the trading tools that I am using, and also you can receive all the trade that I am opening, including my personal trade I do share in the VIP community. This is a big trading community where you can learn and grow as a trader. So any question, don't hesitate to ask using the live chat. So let's see now here what we can expect on gold further. This is where the market, after grabbing a good amount of liquidity, it's now pushing high again. So that was a manipulation. So it is a liquidity grab. You can see that you see that it's a liquidity grab. So euro dollar also, after breaking that low, getting rejection here. Okay, so let me know guys, how are you doing? And in the meantime, I would appreciate if you give a thumbs up to the live session, smash the like button, and also hit that subscribe button. If you haven't done yet, press that bell notification so that you are not missing any of the content that I am posting every single day. So the bullish price action here has formed on gold. Let's look at Gbpusd. Gbpusd also, you see that there is a potentially bullish price action is being formed. Okay, we see that there is a good move on GJ, and we will be also waiting for that entry. And in the meantime, let me know, traders, are you enjoying the live session? What's your uh, view on the market? And if we look at, I think it's started the Friday. So basically, in my zone it's Friday, in your zone it could be Thursday. So if we look at the calendar, if we look at calendar, so for the upcoming sessions, we see that tomorrow there is a GBP news coming, so that might make GBP very volatile. And Friday is very important, as you know that the Friday is where the market really moves for the weekend. And in the upcoming week also we could see a very good move, quite a few high impact news in the upcoming week. It was a big week, as you can see, like we do every week. This week also was massive. We still have one more day to go, and yeah, that's how we want to trade. Remaining profitable over the long term is the key. So looking at, and how are you doing with your trading? Let us know what's your view, how long you are trading, and what's your PNL. Are you profitable as a trader? So sharing your experience could be beneficial to you in this. Can anyone let me know that have you been profitable in the last 1 month for the consecutive 4 weeks? How long you are trading? Are you profitable? Or if not, then what do you think? What's the thing that is stopping you from being a profitable trader? While we are looking at the price action, reflection is key, right? So when you reflect, you also recreate, right? Reflection is the key. Reflection is also the less emphasized thing for many traders, right? Reflection is when you look at inside and see what's happened, why happened, how you can change. Okay, because without reflection, the things will remain as it is. If you want things to change, then you need to reflect. So what was happening in the way, if you do the same thing, will happen the same thing, right? So reflection means that, do you keep a journal? It's also important that you keep a journal. So we do have a journal here in Forex Trading Usdjpy. This is our journal. This week trade so far, except today's trade was not recorded. Also was good win today. We had 2 gold win will be included, and also we can euro dollar didn't work out, but the 2 gold trades was winner. And yeah, keep a journal always, and also learn the risk management. Okay, this is, everyone wants to make profit, but do you want to learn the risk management? Is very important, because when you learn the risk management, you know exactly the real trading. Without risk management, trading is like you're just giving the market your capital away. So what is risk management? I started trading today. Very good. So you started trading today, so you look very confident. In the first day you started to watch the YouTube live, so that's good, very good. Keep learning and growing. So if you started today, then congratulations to this journey. Just one thing you need to understand is that I don't think that any trader in the world who became profitable without losing money. So if you are started today, then definitely tomorrow you might lose money. So what I would recommend is open a very smaller account or a demo account. So the thing is that the when you trade on a demo, more probably you will be profitable for some time and then start on live and then gonna lose money. That happens also is because live account brings emotion, right? It brings a lot of emotion. That's why it's hard. But if you lose money, $100. Okay, so open $100 account and then experiment it. Losing $100 will not make much big difference, I think, depending on where you are. If your country, the income is low, maybe you open a $10 account, and losing $10 is not a big deal, right? But you learn the lesson. That's the key. So that's the most. You don't start a 100K account, live account, and then lose it, or maybe even a 1K, 10K. Okay, start with a smaller account, $100 account, and also use a broker that you can rely. I have broker link in the description. They also accept $100 account, so you can start with them if you want to start with a $100 account. And I would recommend you to always focus on learning rather than making money. When you learn and grow, the money will come as a byproduct. Okay, so what's happening here? A bit of rejection. So the money will come as a byproduct of learning. So mostly focus on learning, and then the rest will appear by itself. This is what most traders fail to do. So focus on learning and then let yourself to be, okay? Being more important than doing. You can learn a lot of strategies, do a lot of trading, but not developing the habit of trading is very important. So being is like you become what you want to become by adopting the habit of profitable trader. So what are the profitable traders' habit? Can you tell me one habit that a profitable trader practice while you are looking at the chart to see and to find an entry? Let's develop a very strong trading psychology. Here is 30 minutes price action on gold, and on the 15 minutes what it is trying to do. If we see that the market not being able to break the high, is it trying to break down? After breaking that high, it failed to create a new higher high. It might try to break the daily support. Yeah, that's what the most important part. Equalizer in the morning, okay. And when I'm watching you live, I got $50. Okay, so patience, yeah, absolutely. Zero, want the wanted trader are not responsive advice. If you can recommend, okay, Zero. You can find the link for the wanted trader in the description. So if you're on the VIP, I will be advising you later in the channel. Okay, I think that gold might break below this video, below this support level. How can gold break below the video? Now, if we look at what it is trying to do, we look at the daily. All right, might be the price will try to break the daily support here or retest. It's forming a very peculiar price action. Gold started another downtrend here. Now from that structure is broken, retested. So if it is starting another downtrend, then gold might drop in the direction to the daily support. So we see a bit of downside here, and okay, might be coming to the daily support. Big drop. A bit of downside. So basically it was a valid breakdown that we saw that there was a big drop here. So two times the market manipulated and finally managed to break. So chances for the price to now to come back to 2361 is higher. Thank you for joining the live session. Let's see if we can find another entry. Let me know if you're ready for another entry if we find that. Profitable trader, practice mindfulness. So what is mindfulness? Can you guys give a thumbs up here? Smash the like button. So what is mindfulness? Can anyone have an idea? Oh, that's ridiculous price action here. It might just break now again in the direction. So profitable trader practice mindfulness. What is mindfulness? The mind that is full is mindfulness, isn't it? Mind is always full, right? So mindfulness is the opposite of mindlessness, isn't it? How can you be mindful? So much distraction. Okay, here is ultimately we might see that drop to the daily support level here, most likely. Look at the daily, it's breaking down to the daily support, most likely now breaking and then either bouncing back up or maybe just moving down. Further downside possible. Boom, it's gonna highly likely to see that it's breaking this 63 level, which is the daily support. Dollar yen coach higher, okay, maybe to 360. Yeah, I think so. I think 2363, because this is where the daily liquidity is on. Dollar yen, if we look at what we can see on dollar yen, there is a dollar yen is in a bullish move. Just was fascinating with the gold. I will come back to that. Let's see where gold is heading at the moment. So it's gonna break here. When the market breaks, it just breaks down. Need to get on board. So 1 minute chart, when the market breaks down, 1 minute chart does very well. Risk management and trading psychology, absolutely. Risk management and trading psychology are the key for the profitable traders. This is only the way you can be profitable as a trader, by learning risk management and developing a strong trading psychology. That's the key only. Okay, so that is only the things that you can control as a trader, doing the risk management and then developing a strong trading psychology. So gold started to break in the, here there is a doji to this liquidity zone, and it's absolutely important to see here now is how far it is coming, especially if it is dropping down to the daily support. You can see there is a daily support, and that daily support is very important because it's a wickless candle here, which is the gap opening. If it is dropping down to the daily support and breaking that, so we might see today, after retesting again, going up here. So there is a gap opening, and still holding from 2386. So you sold from here 2386. Day one Forex Trading Indian, welcome. We're doing live chat every day. Live session, yeah, every day, twice. I'm coming on live every day. Not only here, we do also have our live trading room, where also we execute the live trade, including the risk management and learning the strategy. If you haven't joined yet, you can use the link in below this video in the description. I would recommend you to right now to use it. So as we can see, there is the progression of the New York session. The market now started to move again, and I would like to open few more trades as soon as they appear. And in the meantime, I would like to thank you for joining the live session. We are almost at the end of this live session, while I will be waiting for another entry for the next of the session. I would like to thank you for joining the live session. Also, if you want to explore more about our strategy and also trading with us in Forex Trading Wizard Academy, you can find link below this video in the description area. You can visit the website. I believe that you learn and something from here very important in this live session. I would recommend you to join every day to the live session where you can learn the real trading. Any question, always I try to cover all the answers possible. So with that said, thanks for joining the live session. Tomorrow coming on live again with the weekend, and I'll see you there again trading live. Thanks for joining, and I'll see you. Until that, stay well, stay happy. See you again trading live.